Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on ProRAW on your iPhone. So this is a new update from Apple with iOS 14.3 that they enabled ProRAW for our cameras. I don't know why they called it ProRAW, but anyhow, that's beyond me. I'm going to show you guys how to turn it on and what it's about. So if you just head over to settings and open up settings, what you want to do is you want to scroll down till you find camera. So it's about like halfway-ish through your settings, and then you'll see camera right here. You just want to go ahead and click on that, and then at the very top we will see formats. So just go ahead and click on formats, and then under the photo capture option here we see Apple ProRAW, and it basically just says show camera control for ProRAW. ProRAW is a 12-bit file that uses linear DNG formats to retain more information and dynamic range in the file, providing additional flexibility while editing exposure and white balance. Each file is approximately 25 megabytes. So I will let you guys know that one thing I do know about this is that if you record stuff on it or take photos, it does take a lot more space than a normal photo does. But if you're someone who doesn't want to use it all the time, then it's not a big deal. And I'll show you guys how to enable it and disable it in the camera mode once you have it enabled here. So you don't have to use it all the time if you have it enabled here, which is a good thing. So all you have to do here is just click on the option to enable it, and then you can head over to your camera. And once you're on the camera, so just go ahead and open up the camera. And once you're in the camera, you'll see on the very top right, it has RAW with a little line through it. So that means it's disabled right now. So if we were to go take pictures and stuff with this now, it's no different than it was before. But to enable it, all you have to do is click on it and you'll see the line go away. So then all you have to do is take a photo just like we normally would. And then that is a ProRAW photo. So basically there's just be more exposure, better lighting and stuff in it. It'll look overall better than other photos, but it will take a lot more space up. As you see in the photo here, it looks fairly good. I don't really notice a crazy amount of difference, but obviously I'm not in the best area right now for taking photos. One thing you will notice as well on the top left of the image, it says RAW compared to another image that might not have it turned on, and they won't have RAW turned on there. So if you're scrolling through your photos and you're wondering which ones are RAW, which ones aren't, that's how you can tell right there as well once the photo has been taken. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to enable Apple ProRAW on your phones. If this video did help you, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.